This is a recap video of all things done from 2021 to 2023. Joined tech course in mechatronics engineering. I then did a full course in development of Formula electric car. Manufacturing, where I learned designing, development, and manufacturing of race car. I practiced arc welding, chassis welding, and electric vehicle wiring. Next, I designed and simulated go-kart chassis for my college racing team. I then did a project to build a 3-axis CNC machine.
I have a very good news to share with you guys. So we were spending almost like 3 months from January, February, March and April trying to get the data from the vernier, trying to decode it using a C program and trying to get the accurate data, right? And the 3 months were very tough and we could not get it. But today finally it's 7 p.m. I've been at it for like 5 hours straight and the data is coming correctly. I want to show you guys how it. So like, this is the circuitry, Arduino board, capacitor, LED and stuff. So here I'm getting 0.00. Over here I'm getting 0.00. If I change this to, let's say, 3.39, here also I'm getting 3.38, 3.39. So here 3.21, here also 3.21, here 4.72. Here 4.72. Yeah, we were able to crack this. And just a piece of advice, when you're doing like tough projects, you have to be at it for a very long time before things start to happen. Now things have started to happen on this. I'm just glad, like let's do it once again. 5.62, 5.62. It is working. See you guys.
To the TICT.
ये मेरा थीम है.
Any guesses? The second prize goes to Mechatronics Innovations Private Limited. Very much.